Your mind is your biggest enemy when it comes to money. And I can prove it right now. Close your eyes for 2 seconds. Think of someone who's really rich. What's the first word that comes to mind? Greedy? Lucky? Corrupt? Inherited wealth? Now think of someone who's poor. What word comes to mind? Honest? Hardworking? Unlucky? Good person? If you thought this way, congratulations. You've been successfully programmed to stay broke forever. Your brain has been installed with poverty software, and the worst part, you don't even know it's running. In the next 16 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this mental programming works, why 95% of people never escape it, and the secret method that millionaires use to completely rewire their brains. But warning, once you understand this psychology, you can never think about money the same way again. Are you ready for that level of truth? Let me tell you about Vikash and Rohit. Two boys born in the same hospital in Delhi on the same day, but their families give them completely different money programming. Vikash's family. Beta, money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are bad. Be happy with what you have. Don't take risks. Rohit's family. Beta, money is a tool. Rich people solve big problems. Always look for opportunities. Calculated risks make you grow. Same city, same opportunities, opposite programming. Age 6. Vikash sees a businessman in a BMW. His mother says, he must have done something wrong to afford that car. Rohit sees the same scene. His father says, one day when you solve people's problems, you'll drive an even better car. Neuroscience reveals something shocking here. Between ages 0 to 7, your brain absorbs everything like a sponge. No filter, no logic, just pure programming. These statements become your subconscious beliefs about money. They run in the background of your mind for your entire life. Vikash's subconscious learns money, bad, rich, evil, poor, good. Rohit's subconscious learns money is tool, rich, problem solver, success, normal. Fast forward 25 years. Vikash, middle management job, 15 lakh salary. Thinks he's doing well. Never tries business because it's too risky. Rohit, serial entrepreneur, 5 crore net worth. Third successful business. Always looking for bigger problems to solve. Same intelligence, same education, different programming. College time. Both studying MBA from the same university in Bangalore. Same professor teaches both. Resources are limited. Competition is high. Only few can succeed. Vikash absorbs this completely. Thinks, I need to fight others for limited opportunities. Rohit questions this. Thinks, what if I create new opportunities instead of fighting for existing ones? Here's where brain programming shows its real power. Assignment. Create a business plan. Vikash researches existing successful businesses, tries to copy them. His brain thinks, success is limited, I need to take someone else's share. Rohit observes problems around campus, notices students wasting 3 hours daily in traffic to reach good food places. His brain thinks, problems are unlimited, I can create unlimited solutions. Vikash submits a plan to start another food delivery app. Professor says, market is saturated, not viable. Rohit submits a plan for campus-based gourmet food trucks that rotate locations. Professor says, innovative approach, scalable. Same assignment, different mental operating systems. Scarcity OS, copy what exists, compete for limited pie. Abundance OS, create what's missing, expand the pie. But here's the neuroscience secret. Scarcity thinking literally shrinks your prefrontal cortex, the part of brain responsible for creativity and decision-making. Abundance thinking expands neural connections, creates new pathways for innovation. Your thoughts physically change your brain structure. Graduation day, campus placements. Both get offers from Goldman Sachs, 25 LPA package. Vikash immediately accepts, thinks, secure job, good salary, parents will be proud. Rohit thinks for 2 days, then does something that shocks everyone. He negotiates with Goldman Sachs. Give me 6 months to try my business idea. If it fails, I'll join with 10% extra salary. Company agrees because they want him badly. But here's what's really happening in their brains. Vikash's brain releases stress hormones when he thinks about uncertainty. Cortisol floods his system when he imagines risk. His programming says certainty, safety, uncertainty, danger. Rohit's brain releases dopamine when he thinks about possibilities, excitement hormones when he imagines growth. His programming says certainty, limitation, uncertainty, opportunity. Same situation, opposite neurochemical responses. Vikash joins Goldman Sachs. Steady paycheck, predictable growth, comfortable life. Rohit starts his food truck business. Uncertain income, steep learning curve, exciting challenges. 6 months later, Vikash, 25 lakh salary, stable routine, good work-life balance. Rohit, food truck making 40 lakhs annually, stressed but learning exponentially. But the real difference is in their neural development. Vikash's brain is optimizing for efficiency in known tasks, becoming more specialized. Rohit's brain is creating new neural pathways daily. Problem solving, risk assessment, leadership, sales psychology. One brain is maintaining, the other is expanding. Year 2. Vikash, 30 lakh salary, promotion to VP, buying apartment in Gurgaon. Rohit expands to 5 food trucks, revenue 1.2 crore, hiring team. Year 3. Vikash, 35 lakh salary, senior VP, comfortable lifestyle. Rohit launches food delivery app, revenue 3.5 crore, learning tech and marketing. Year 4. Vikash, 40 lakh salary, managing director track, peak of corporate success. Rohit sells business to Zomato for 15 crore, becomes millionaire at 26. What happened? The compound effect of mental programming. Let me explain with a powerful metaphor. Vikash's brain is like a high-performance car on a circular track. Super efficient, but limited distance. Rohit's brain is like an off-road vehicle exploring new territories, less predictable, but unlimited destinations. Here's the neuroscience behind this. Every time Vikash solves the same type of problems at work, he strengthens existing neural pathways, becomes expert in narrow field. Every time Rohit faces new business challenges, he creates new neural pathways, becomes expert in learning itself. Vikash develops specialized intelligence, great at one thing. Rohit develops adaptive intelligence, great at figuring out anything. Both are successful, but one success is capped, the other is unlimited. The psychology secret: your comfort zone is your brain's prison. The bigger your comfort zone, the bigger your success zone. Plot twist: Vikash realizes he's trapped. At 28, he's earning 50 lakhs annually but feels empty. Sees Rohit's success and asks the question that changes everything. Bro, we started from the same place. How did you break through the limitations I feel stuck in? Rohit explains, it's not about intelligence or opportunities. It's about mental programming. And the good news? Programming can be changed. He teaches Vikash about neuroplasticity. Your brain has 86 billion neurons. They can create new connections at any age. You can literally rewire your thinking patterns. Rohit shares the scientific reprogramming method. Phase 1. Awareness, week 1 to 2. Notice your automatic thoughts about money and risk. Write them down. Most people never realize their programming is running. Phase 2. Interruption, week 3 to 4. When you catch yourself thinking limitation thoughts, stop and ask, is this thought helping me grow or keeping me small? Phase 3. Replacement, week 5 to 6. Replace every limiting thought with an empowering question. I can't afford this becomes, how can I afford this? Phase 4. Environment design, week 7-8. Change your inputs, follow entrepreneurs instead of employees on social media, read business books instead of news. Phase 5. Action practice, week 9 to 10. Take small calculated risks. Start a side project. Your brain learns that risk isn't dangerous when you succeed in small ways. The secret is consistency. Do this for 66 days and new neural pathways become stronger than old ones. Vikash decides to try this experiment while keeping his job. Week 1 to 2. He realizes his brain automatically thinks too risky whenever he sees business opportunities. Week 3 to 4, he starts catching these thoughts and questioning them. Week 5 to 6, instead of I don't have time for side business, he thinks, how can I make time for wealth building? Week 78, he unfollows news channels, follows startup founders, reads The Lean Startup instead of watching Netflix. Week 9 to 10, he starts weekend consulting for small businesses using his finance expertise. Results after 66 days. His brain starts seeing opportunities everywhere. Month 3. Consulting earns him extra 2 lakhs. Month 6. Builds a team of finance consultants. Month 12. Quits Goldman Sachs. Consulting business earns 30 lakhs annually. Month 18. Expands to financial education courses. Revenue crosses 60 lakhs. Month 24. Creates online platform. Multiple income streams. Net worth 1.5 crore. Same person, same intelligence, reprogrammed mental software. The transformation proves your current financial situation isn't your permanent identity. It's just your current programming. Today, both Vikash and Rohit are croropatis, but they learned different lessons. Rohit learned, right programming from childhood creates exponential advantages. Vikash learned, wrong programming can be fixed at any age with the right method. But here's the truth for you watching this video. Right now, your brain is running software installed years ago. Most of it is poverty programming designed to keep you safe but small. Every time you think, I can't afford it, that's programming. Every time you avoid risk because it's dangerous, that's programming. Every time you believe money is limited, that's programming. But here's the exciting part. Programming can be changed in 66 days. Your homework for the next 7 days. Day 1. Write down every limiting thought you have about money. Day 2. For each limiting thought, write an empowering question. Day 3. Spend 30 minutes researching one business opportunity you previously thought was too risky. Day 4 to 7. Take one small action toward creating value for someone else. Comment below. What's one limiting money belief you discovered about yourself? Remember, every millionaire is just someone who upgraded their mental software from scarcity to abundance. Your reprogramming starts with this video. Your wealth begins with your next thought. If this opened your mind, share it with someone whose programming needs an update. The question isn't whether you can become wealthy. The question is, are you ready to change the programming that's keeping you poor?